Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we are going to look at a wine saver. This wine saver is going to use a pump so that you can actually create a vacuum again and make it just like you have never pulled the plug out. So what you get in the box, it's going to come just like this. You're going to get the little pump right here, which is actually going to work in reverse because you're going to pull it and create that vacuum. And you're going to have 4 little stoppers. So you can actually have 4 bottles open all at the same time. Now, traditionally, when you open up a bottle of wine like this Chardonnay, you would have to do something like use a stopper like this. You put it in, it does not create a vacuum. It'll stop some of the going stale for just a short amount of time, but this will last much longer. It's a much better system. So let's set this over there. Let's go ahead and open up the Chardonnay and see how this pump actually works. Get it right there, pull this up and take it out. So there you go. Very nice. Smells great. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to take a jar and we are going to pour some of this in it just so that I create a void in here so that the vacuum will be able to work really well, and we'll see how it really works if you've taken, say, a glass out of this. So we've got the bottle right here, top off, part of it's gone. Let me hold it up to make sure you can see. We are down to about right here at the bottom of the neck. We are simply going to take one of the stoppers, and you have a little valve on the top. You're going to see it. You have the rings on the bottom. Rings need to go into the bottle. And by the way, guys, these are dishwasher safe. So you get it right there. Now this thing just simply sets right on the top. You do not have to screw anything in. You don't have to do anything other than to just set it there. Now you'll go down and you start pulling. And I can feel it pulling a vacuum right now. There we go. And now it has actually created a vacuum, a slight vacuum inside of the bottle so that it's going to keep that fresh. So what I'm going to do is bring you in a little closer and we're going to pop it loose and see if we can actually hear that vacuum. So let's do that. So all we're going to do is we are going to take and push up right here at the edge, and I'm going to be real quiet so maybe you can hear it. There you go. I don't know if you heard that, but it definitely had a vacuum. So guys, if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because I think it's extremely simple, yet it can save you a lot of wine. They give you 4 stoppers, so I can have 4 bottles of wine open at the same time without any problem, and this will make it last just like it has a cork in it. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next review.